So this is Blue Ribbon Organics. We take yard and food waste and make certified organic compost for organic farmers, organic gardeners. We do rooftop media mixes around trees and shrubs, lawn application. You name it, we kind of try and whatever we can to mix compost with is what we try to do here. So yeah, we take a variety of different feedstocks. It's always mixed up. It could be chunked wood, grass, leaves, brush, and wood chips. What we really like about our Rotochopper is, number one, the maintenance on the machine. It's very simple to maintain, changing the screen so I can do various different types of product. I also really like, Rotochopper stands behind their grinders. When we call and talk to service or parts, they know exactly what's going on with our machines with RotoLink. They know exactly if there's an issue, how to fix it. I don't get I can't believe that happened. It's never happened to me before, where I get a lot of places. We've been running it for a little over 2 years now. So we've had a lot of different grinders in here, and the Rotochopper really has held up for us. And like I said, it just does a really nice job with the finished product.